Welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to REM. We are going to react to the song Don't Go Back to Rockville.
So first time single take honest reaction. Let's get started with this Patreon request.
Looking at your watch a third time, waiting in the station for the bus. Going to a place that's far, so far away, and if that's not enough, going where nobody says hello, they don't talk to anybody they don't know. You'll wind up in some factory that's full-time filled with nowhere left to go. Walk home to an empty house, sit around all by yourself. I know it might sound strange, but I believe you'll be coming back before too long. Don't go back to Rockville. Don't go back to Rockville. Don't go back to Rockville and waste another year. At night I drink myself to sleep and pretend I don't care that you're not here with me. 'Cause it's so much easier to handle all my problems if I'm too far out to sea. But something better happens soon. It's gonna be too late to bring me back. Don't go back to Rockville. Don't go back to Rockville. Don't go back to Rockville. Waste another year. It's not as though I really need you. If you were here, I'd only bleed you. But everybody else in town only wants to bring me down. That's not how it ought to be. Well, I know it might sound strange, but I believe you'll be coming back before too long. Don't go back to Rockville. Don't go back to Rockville. Don't go back to Rockville. Waste another year. Don't go back to Rockville. Don't go back to Rockville. Don't go back to Rockville and waste another year.
Wow, this is going to be one of the catchiest hooks I've heard this month.
Yeah, Yeah.
Don't go back to Rockwell bit. Wow.
And it isn't noisy. It isn't haphazard. It's not something that makes you feel a little bit disturbed. It makes you feel good. It makes you feel good. It definitely helps you feel good. This is very good. It's a feel good song for me more than anything else. It's a wonderful rock song, but it felt too good listening to it because of the vocals being so mild and gentle. The music too was kept very mild, gentle. It was more of an appeal from his side. Don't go back to Rockwell, and he was talking about his bad state. He's not as in begging, but he's at the same time trying to tell in different ways that this is how it is gonna go.
Yeah, he's fervently pleading
Fervently
and gently begging.
Gently.
Yeah,
Yeah.
He's explaining to her his possible emotional and mental state if she goes there. And he's also kind of scaring her a bit
Yeah.
with that last line, and waste another year. Like possibly it has happened before. So he's kind of reminding
I
her,
think, yeah.
you go back there, we're going to waste another year.
One more year.
One more year is going to go down the drain. So nice song, very well put together. Wow, beautifully
I
done.
like the way the music goes. Everything
I
has
like the guitar
wonderful
tune.
play.
Also.
And even the drums were good too. Everything had a perfect place. This is one of the perfect
And I also remember this video that was provided, lyric video, not because of how well made it was. You could barely read it,
Right.
the lyrics, because of the font color chosen, but because the lead vocalist of R.E.M., Michael Stipe, has hair in it.
Oh,
So this is the first time I've actually seen
Seen him with hair.
seen him with hair. I mean, first time in my life. I've reacted to him. I've watched a few videos since then, official videos of R.E.M. The first time I'm seeing him with hair, full hair.
Okay. So he's like,
So they're young here, unless if pictures are taken from their younger days when this song was released.
how good is that?
Beautiful, nice. Everyone's young sometime, aren't they?
Yeah, even Bruce Willis.
But Bruce Willis looked the same when he was young.
He looked the same.
Whether it was Die Hard or whether it was the last movie, which was that movie that came during the lockdown, the all-night one.
There was a movie.
Any idea?
Don't remember.
Night Out or something to do with the night. Anyway, really good song. Any final
This is
thoughts?
a wonderful song. It is presented in a way, it's made in a way that it connects with people. I've never been in that kind of a situation where you're parting ways with your partner for some time. People know it's temporary, but those feelings you just can't help. And it was so well presented here, as if it's a real story and really based. So for every young couple out there or who may be going to go through something like this, it is relatable. They would love to play a song like this for a situation, something like that. Yeah. So many times people go for education, people go to work, people just go for a break or something like that. This seems to be one of those situations.
Yeah, one thing is long distance relationships don't work. And secondly, they say absence. I think it was Shakespeare that said it. William Shakespeare. Absence make it heart grow fonder.
Yeah.
So,
Why did you?
that's
Was
how
it
it
the
was written
accent?
that way.
Okay.
Absence makes the heart grow fonder. So, but actually in reality, a bit of this saying is true. In reality, you move on. In today's world, you generally move on. So whenever you take a break, whenever you move, unless you have no other option, it's an emergency or work related and you have no other option but to move and stay apart from your spouse or partner or boyfriend, you must think many times before making that
there
decision.
are many sayings that are outdated for today's time. And that goes with this too. A love at first sight also is an outdated saying or a phrase. There were many phrases that were relevant for that time. Why absence makes your heart grow fonder or something like that. It was back then when women and men were less in numbers, and once you had found someone a good match for yourself, it was very difficult to find another one. There wouldn't be a single lady in your town maybe who was eligible or who was of your age. But nowadays people have so many options. You can't take these risks. You definitely can't.
On the other side, William Shakespeare has also, I think it's again William Shakespeare has also given us the exact opposite. Familiarity breeds contempt.
Yeah, both of them.
Familiarity breedeth contempt. Yeah. It went something like that in Shakespearean dialect. Anyway, that's it for this one.
That's all for this. Yeah, thank you. Welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Deer Hunter. We are going to react to the song Memory Boy. This is our first time listening to this one. Let's get started with it.
Wow, short and sweet, this one.
Yeah.
I wish more songs were like this.
What was that instrument? I think it was on the keyboard. I like the music. There were things playing, but I really can't recognize. I thought sometime it felt like an organ, then it changed, and at the end it closed. So I don't know what instrument was that, but it sounded good. It gave
Sounded like the mouth organ, the one at the end.
Yeah, the
Harmonica,
closing was like a harmonica.
Probably done on the keyboard
Yeah.
because it wasn't crystal clear as such,
Yeah.
the sound. Yeah, nice drums, nice guitar, and good vocals.
I like the
Vocals
tune of this song.
Reminds me of so many other vocalists we've heard,
Mm-hmm.
in the rock genre. Good. Little song and very good.
Little song, yeah, and it sounded good. For me too, it sounded good. I like the tune, I like the way it goes.
And I like that
it.
part of the song where it's down, 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 down.
Yeah.
One more word, it was done with just a paragraph earlier. Very well. Verse earlier, rather. Well done.
Yeah.
Anything you'd like to say? Anything more?
For me, I couldn't really get what the lyrics were about this house that isn't anymore and something was happening. But I like the way it was sung. I like the way the tune goes and you feel like singing along with it. If you listen to it a couple of times, I think you can go with it because the words
Yeah,
are
it was
simple.
kind of nostalgic. I think he's, jogging down memory lane, so to speak, and thinking about certain memories in a particular location, particular home, family home. The mother was there, the son was there.
Now things are different.
Things are quite different now. So I think he's jogging down memory lane. Yeah, that's
For
it.
that music is good. For that feeling.